Hey everybody, it's me, Kat. We're in our new place in Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Thought I would show you around. Getting off the elevator behind me. Walk with me. So, pretty decent hallway. We're down here, we're on the 12th floor. And behind me, just a view of nothing. Let's see here. I almost forget which apartment we're in. There's a security lock, so there is no key. Okay, we are in the door, and we have come in, and this is a 2-1. 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. We decided to compromise a little bit this time and go down to the bathroom, save a little money, because we're getting ready to make the big move out of Southeast Asia. So let's start with the kitchen. It's small, but it has an oven, which is unusual. Fridge is very decent. A lot of storage. You can tell IKEA went berserko in here a little bit. There's a sink. There's a little wine rack if you like wine. We went to order some baked goods this morning for breakfast and stuff. There's a microwave, a kettle, all came with it. A little mini trash can. And out here is the laundry area, and also really the only balcony that we have. So here to the birdies. So yeah, pretty basic kitchen, but everything's here. There's some silverware and stuff that came with it. Miniature pots. Let's see what's down here. I think there's just some bags, yeah. We have a few things up there. This is just decoration, because there's the stovetop. Some mugs, some plates, not many. As far as pots and pans and things, it's probably the weaker of the two, of any of the apartments we've been in. So over here, some more storage. We've each claimed a cubby hole. Shoes are right there. Amber and the boy went to get a haircut, so they're not here, which is why I'm doing the video right now. So we have a table, dining room table. There should be 4 chairs here, but the boy borrowed one for school this morning in his room. Got a couch. A couple plugs in here. They're pretty decent. A little desk area over there. More storage. All this is storage. Big TV. Pretty good. AC in here blows really good. So no complaints about the AC. Here's the view from the living room. Also hot. You have those curtains open during the day. Very, very, very hot. So that is the living room and the kitchen, dining room, all combined in one. Come down the hallway. And here's our bedroom. Again, not big. And there's the view from there. Continuation of the living room view. Below us is the pool. There's also a roof deck here. I'll slice some of that in because Amber went to the roof yesterday. Storage here. Massive amounts of storage here. Amber has all her gear up in here. Plus we have suitcases in there. So really good amount of storage. Across the way is the boys' room. We're just gonna sneak peek with no lights. He's not happy about those sheets, but the room looks like it typically looks when he's inside it. Here is our bathroom. Typical. It's 1 shower, trash can, there's a laundry basket. Nothing untoward. Nothing great, nothing fantastic. Sink. That's our bathroom. So all in all, this is a good apartment. The check-in process was seamless. They give you a visual step-by-step process. There's a checkout link or check-in link. There's also a guidebook once we got into the apartment that listed a slew of options for everything: food, entertainment, coffee shops, because Vietnam is known for coffee shops. So I'd say out of all of the Airbnbs that we've lived in, and we lived in quite a few, check-in wise, this is probably number one. Comfort level, I give it a good 8. I am missing that extra bathroom, no gonna lie. I really enjoy having a bathroom in my bedroom. But storage wise, 10. There's a place we can put everything in. It's out of the way. I don't like clutter. I don't like visual clutter. So this totally works for me. Give us a few more days to live in it. May have to update this. But there's security. We always opt for security. I'll pay a little bit more for that. Just for peace of mind. We haven't had any problems here, but it's just for peace of mind. There's front desk personnel that are here from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. There are 2 grocery stores in the building below on the first floor. There's a grocery store right around the corner. And when I say grocery store, I'm really talking about bodegas. There's a pool below us, a very, very nice rooftop deck. So those are the amenities. We ordered food, hadn't having too many problems getting it here once we explained the directions, because the apartment complex is off a little bit. The entrance is on the side of the building instead of the front of the building. So you almost have to turn down the side road to get here. But great. If you are in Ho Chi Minh, this is District 4. If you're in Ho Chi Minh and you're looking for something reasonable, because reasonable changes on where you're at, this might be the place for you. Yeah, we like it so far. We'll see what happens. Look at that pool. Ah! I love their pool. We might have to bum rush their pool. Bum rush the spot. There's the view from the rooftop. And here's the rooftop. It's about to be my working space.